There are four methods of acquiring data. 1. Collecting new data. 2. Converting/transforming legacy data. 3. Sharing/exchanging data. 4. Purchasing data. This includes automated collection, example of sensor-derived data, the manual recording of empirical observations, and obtaining existing data from other sources. The following data shall be recorded at 1-minute intervals. 1. To ensure a record of owned ships' past track, time, position, heading, and speed, and 2. To ensure a record of official data used, ENC source, edition, date, cell, and update history. Execution of the finalized voyage plan should be carried out taking into account all the factors. When a boat is pointing at an angle across the tidal stream, this will affect the direction that the vessel actually travels over the ground. And the effect on the boat speed made good will be dependent on both the angles and speeds involved. The weather, wind and waves, will together with ocean currents influence the power needed to propel a ship at a given speed over ground. Therefore, it is important to take these factors into consideration when planning a voyage and to try to minimize the negative influence. Additional personnel can be on hand, or identifying clear no-go zones to focus the navigator's attention.
Detailed voyage planning, good seamanship, and situational awareness are essential to safe navigation in the Strait. Make sure your bridge is adequately manned as specified by your SMS. Maintain good communication with the VTIS throughout your transit.
Items to be included in briefing. Passage plan in general. No-go/dangerous areas. Weather forecast. Special instructions for coastal navigation. Main engine use, speed, and maneuvering details and restrictions. Relevant master standing orders. Items to be included in briefing. Passage plan in general. No-go/dangerous areas. Weather forecast. Special instructions for coastal navigation. Main engine use, speed, and maneuvering details and restrictions. Relevant master standing orders. Why it is important to consider fatigue of the personnel on board in a voyage plan. The result of fatigue is impaired performance and diminished alertness. The effects of fatigue are particularly dangerous in the shipping industry. The technical and specialized nature of this industry requires constant alertness and intense concentration from its workers. The IMO's Guidelines on Fatigue is a guide to the nature of fatigue and its causes, and outlines preventive measures and countermeasures designed to help combat fatigue on board ship. The guidelines are designed as a practical guide divided into modules aimed at the relevant parties. Also called pre-arrival and pre-departure checklists, these are tools used by mariners before, during, and after arrival or departure at ports. They help mariners, especially those in the bridge and engineering team, ensure that a ship is ready to dock at ports or is seaworthy before departure for the next destination. What is the purpose of checklists on board ship? Checklists are only a means and an aid, and when utilized to their full potential can prevent accidents on ships and their crew from untoward and unwanted incidents. IMO Resolution A916/22 gives guidance on compliance with SALASV Regulation 28 and the recording of navigational events. What is SALAS 1974 all about? The main objective of the SALAS Convention is to specify minimum standards for the construction, equipment, and operation of ships, compatible with their safety. What are the amendments of STCW Convention 1978? The amendments to the STCW Convention and to Parts A and B of the STCW Code include requirements for the issue of certificates of proficiency for ship security officers, specifications of minimum standards of proficiency for ship security officers, and guidance regarding training for ship security officers. What is the importance of MARPOL 7378 to the marine environment? MARPOL 7378 is one of the most important international marine environmental conventions. It was designed to preserve the marine environment through prevention of accidental discharge of oil and other harmful substances from ships into the sea. What is MLC and its purpose? What is the Maritime Labor Convention, 2006, MLC, 2006? The MLC is a comprehensive international employment convention adopted by the ILO International Labour Conference in February 2006. It contains seafarers' rights to decent conditions of work and creates conditions of fair competition for ship owners. It covers every aspect of ship design, including ship survival capability, ship arrangements, cargo containment and control systems, fire protection, materials of construction, personnel protection, and operating requirements. What is IBC Code in Marine? IBC Code is the international code for the construction and equipment of ships carrying dangerous chemicals in bulk and index of dangerous chemicals carried in bulk, published by the International Maritime Organization, IMO. What is the importance of GC Code? The purpose of this code, in the following referred to as the code, is to recommend suitable design criteria, construction standards, and other safety measures for ships transporting liquefied gases and certain other substances in bulk so as to minimize the risk to the ship, its crew and to the environment. BCH Code, under Regulation 11 of MARPOL Annex 2, chemical tankers constructed before July 1, 1986 must comply with the requirements of the code for the construction and equipment of ships carrying dangerous chemicals in bulk, BCH Code, the predecessor of the IBC Code. The role of the flag state is to conduct regular inspections of each of their ships to ensure the safety of their cargo and crew members. The state that the vessel registers with is also responsible for collecting taxes from that vessel and regulating the pollution levels of ships under their flag. What is the law of the flag state? Flag states are provided with extensive powers of oversight and control of the safety of ships flying their flags, with specific obligations for the inspection of their ships, jurisdiction, and administration of the owning entities, the master